Do you want to turn your property into a money-making machine? Or perhaps you dream of running a thriving Airbnb business, but don't know where to start? Well, you've clicked on the right video, because I'll show you step by step how to start and grow your Airbnb business in 2025. In this video, you'll learn the secrets to choosing the right property, mastering your listing, and delivering a 5-star guest experience. By the end, you'll have everything you need to kickstart your Airbnb journey with confidence. So grab a notebook and let's dive right in. What if I told you that you could turn your property, or even someone else's, into a steady stream of income in 2025? Whether you're dreaming of financial freedom, a flexible lifestyle, or building a thriving side hustle, starting an Airbnb business is one of the smartest moves you can make. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's turn your dream into a reality. Why start an Airbnb business in 2025? Discuss the growing trend of short-term rentals and how Airbnb has become a global platform. Highlight changes in travel habits post-pandemic and how remote work has boosted demand for Airbnbs. Share statistics on Airbnb's growth and profitability in 2024 to build credibility. Transition. Now that we know why 2025 is the perfect year to start, let's talk about the first step: choosing the right property. Finding the perfect property. Factors to consider: location, tourist hotspots, business districts, or unique experiences. Property type: apartment, house, or unique stays like tree houses. Regulations. Importance of understanding local laws and zoning. Share tips for market research and tools like AirDNA, MashBuyzer to analyze potential. Transition. Once you've found the right property, it's time to create a standout listing. Crafting the perfect Airbnb listing. Key elements: title, make it catchy and descriptive. Photos, high-quality images that highlight unique features. Description, write with your target guest in mind. Pricing, use smart pricing tools to remain competitive. Tips for SEO optimization on Airbnb's platform. Transition, but even the best listing won't succeed without a great guest experience. Delivering a 5-star guest experience. Tips for success: communication, respond quickly and clearly to guest inquiries. Cleanliness, provide a spotless space. Amenities, exceed expectations with small touches. Reviews, encourage guests to leave positive feedback. Transition. Next, let's talk about how to market your Airbnb and stand out from the competition. Marketing your Airbnb. Social media, use Instagram, Facebook, and to showcase your property. Partnerships, collaborate with local businesses for cross-promotion. Repeat guests, build loyalty programs and offer discounts. Tools, explore email marketing and referral programs. Transition. As your business grows, managing your Airbnb efficiently becomes key. Managing your Airbnb business like a pro. Tools and apps, channel managers like GuiSty or Hostfully. Automation tools for messaging and pricing. Hiring help, cleaners, co-hosts, and property managers. Financial tips, track expenses and income using tools like QuickBooks, plan for taxes, and reinvest profits. Transition. Finally, let's talk about scaling your Airbnb business for long-term success. Scaling your Airbnb business, expanding portfolio, acquiring multiple properties, exploring co-hosting or property management, diversifying income, offering experiences or upselling services. Staying ahead, keep learning and adapting to trends. Invest in education and networking. There you have it, a complete guide to starting and growing your Airbnb business in 2025. Now, it's your turn to take action. Starting an Airbnb business in 2025 is more than just a dream. It's a step toward financial freedom and a flexible lifestyle. Whether you're just starting with one property or aiming to build an empire, the time to act is now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Let's make 2025 the year you change your life through Airbnb.